What is the best, most profitable, high yield platform that you are in that's been around for more than 6 months? That is the exact question that I asked 10 leaders that I really respect in this space. And there were two platforms that clearly outshine all the rest. And I'm going to talk about them today. Now, one of those platforms I was already in, and one of them I wasn't. And that one was 101 Money Maker. Now, I'm going to break down this platform and tell you all that you need to know about it today. So let's go ahead and get into it. What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And on this channel, I share multiple ways and multiple plays that you can earn passive income through cryptocurrency and beyond. So if you want to stay up to date on that, I want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into 101 Money Maker. Now, I told you there was one other program. I want to know if you guys can guess what that program was. Now, I'm going to do another video on that later, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you'll know when I drop that video. But that program is excellent as well. So I want you guys to drop in the comments what you think that program is, right? So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about 101 Moneymaker. Now, some of you all probably have heard of this program, and some of you all probably haven't. Now, it's not a very well-known program, and I can tell because the amount of active members in the program, but the fact that so many leaders were telling me that they actually were enjoying this program and making a lot of profit from it, I got excited about it. I said I want to really check it out more in depth. So let's start looking at some of the things in here. So this program has been online for 187 days, so a little over 6 months, which a lot of platforms nowadays don't even make it to 6 months. So the fact that this one has been around a little bit longer is really interesting, right? Now, 901 active members. They have over $1.2 million has been deposited, and they've paid out over $1.6 million according to their statistics, and they have the Bitcoin price right there was just over $40,000. Now, let's talk about what they promise. They say you can earn up to 2% per day, weekend inclusive. So they're saying 7 days a week, you can earn up to 2% per day. They say 101 Moneymaker is the newest high yield platform of 2023. The idea behind 101 Moneymaker is to provide users with a high but sustainable yield. Now they have some stuff to get registered, make investments, earn and withdrawals. Just 1, 2, 3. Those are the steps to actually get involved with the program. Now we go down to the About Us. They have some more information in here. We can make profits at any time during bull or bear markets. Now that is exciting, but can you stand up to that promise? They say build a portfolio with 101 Moneymaker. We have some of the fastest software on the market, and we're able to profit many times over what we have committed to rewarding our clients. What they're saying is that we're making more profits than we're actually promising our clients that we can pay them. Our staff is a team of developers and high frequency algorithmic traders sprinkled with some entrepreneurs and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. This decentralized board of 7 members is the key to opening your passive income possibilities. Now, I'm supposed to get the opportunity to actually talk to some of these 7 members and actually interview some people for my channel, that type of thing. So as soon as I get that, I'm going to drop that interview on the channel. Now, here's their mission. They said, our mission is to provide users with a high but sustainable yield. We achieve this through a variety of different artificial intelligence trading robots in the crypto and the Forex markets. So they're telling us they are participating in the crypto and the Forex markets. They say their advantage is that they specialize in arbitrage and short selling. So this is how they make money in the bull or the bear market. Now, their guarantees is that they can make profit at any time during the bull or the bear markets. Now, they have some other things here that they highlight. I know you guys know that this is just stuff they put on the website. You guys know that this stuff doesn't really guarantee or mean a lot for the program. And I know you guys want to know exactly what's going on with the program, if it's something that's worth you actually checking out. So I'm going to go over that information. Now, they do say timing and positioning here. They said position yourself for the biggest global launch of this year. Here is your chance to be first, secure your spot, and start to build your team today. maximizing profit potential, capitalizing on volatility, risk management, and leveraging market trends. And they have a chart down here showing the Bitcoin. I'm glad to see Bitcoin bouncing back from hitting that low, right? Hitting that low. I think it hit around 39,000. Now it's bouncing back. Glad to see that. Now they have a lot of other information down here. Like I said, I know this is not what you guys want to see. You want to check out the plans and the things that they have to offer and see how that's working. And in order for me to do that, I do have to log into the platform. So I'm going to do that now. Now I'm inside the platform, and what you're looking at is the dashboard for this platform. Now, you see in the dashboard, you have the available balances right at the top. I have $51.89. I am going to do a withdrawal to make sure that the withdrawal process is working smoothly. Now, I will say that as I was talking to the other leaders that are already in this platform, they said they had no problems with withdrawals. The withdrawals have been coming through according to the withdrawal schedule, and everything has been smooth. So I just want to let you guys know that right up front. Now, here's the next thing. They have a message here where they were celebrating the 5 months of online triumph, and that is good there. I'm glad that they are putting that up here. They had some new plans that they actually came out with, which I'm going to show you guys this. Now, when I got in, I took advantage of one of these plans, and I went ahead and I staked $302. That was the minimum that you needed to actually get started with these super plans, is what they call them, that are here in the back office. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and show you the super plans that they have available right now. Here are those plans. So the first super plan was the 301 Super. This is the one I actually got in. The minimum deposit that you could make to get into this one was $301. I actually did $302 to make sure that it was above the 301 so that I could take advantage of this. Now, it caps out at $300,000 that you could put into this one. And this one pays up to 1.25% daily and offers daily withdrawals. The stake duration for this one is 101 days. And after that 101 days, you actually get 80% of your capital back because there's a 20% performance fee. So 80% of your capital comes back to you after 101 days. The next package up is going to be the 1501 Super Package, which pays up to 1.75% per day. Now, the minimum to get into this one is the 1501, and it caps out at $300,000. Now, the daily is 1.75 up to 1.75, and the daily withdrawal is available on this one as well. The difference is that the stake duration for this one is 81 days. After that 81 days, you get 80% of your capital back with this one also. The next package up is the 3001 Super. This is up to 2% per day. It caps out at $300,000 as well. Minimum is $3,001. The daily withdrawal is on this one as well. The difference is the stake duration is 71 days, and there's a 80% of your capital returned at the end of the 71 days because of the 20% performance fee. So those are those packages. Now, let me go. Full disclaimer, they're still showing on the website right now, but from the message that they sent out in their Telegram, these packages were set to expire on the 23rd, but they're still here right now, and I know it's the 24th. So you still may be able to take advantage of these. As a matter of fact, let me select it just to see if it still comes up. If it still comes up, you may be able to take advantage of this right now. So it's still up. You may be able to take advantage of this before they take them down. Now, you're probably wondering why these packages are going away. Well, one thing that I want to let you guys know that got me excited about this program was the fact that they are now doing something different. They're going to a different model, which they're going to have a PAM account. So there's going to be a PAM account. These packages are expiring, and people won't be able to get into these packages with the set daily percentages. But there will be a new PAM account with variable percentages because it's going to be real trading, and it should have real verifiable trades that we'll be able to look at. So that's going to be very exciting. I think they're going to have a My FX book along with this as well. So that will be exciting if they do this, because I've been highly interested in the Forex PAM accounts because I believe they're a good way for us to actually move forward here, right? So I'm going to pull up the message here and read through that. I know you guys can't see it on your screen right now, but I'm going to pull up that announcement that they made in their announcements channel and just talk about these PAM accounts that they have coming up, right? So they said, hey, everyone, exciting news to share. 101 Moneymaker is celebrating 6 months online. Thank you for your incredible support. Introducing our new PAM account. It offers exceptional earning potential. Our old super plans are phasing out. Grab them now. The new PAM account offers transparency and verifiable and variable daily rates. We are here for the long haul, providing a secure and profitable platform. Old super plans say goodbye on 1/23/2024, so act fast. The new PAM account is coming soon and worth the wait. Thank you for being a part of our community. Let's make the next 6 months remarkable. Stay tuned for updates and witness the future of financial success with 101 Moneymaker. So that's what they put out here about 101 Moneymaker. Let's put, and then they had another message. So let's talk about this. It said, "Attention, all moneymaker enthusiasts! I have some exciting news for you to share with you today. Introducing 101 Moneymaker, the hottest high yield platform of 2023." At 101 Moneymaker, we believe in providing our users with incredible opportunities to earn substantial returns on their investments. Our innovative and sustainable approach ensures that you can earn up to a staggering 2% per day, even on the weekends. But here's the catch: these phenomenal plans won't be around forever. We are gradually phasing them out to make way for new and exciting opportunities. So if you want to make the most of these, then they're saying get these by the 23rd. Now, so that is what they were talking about here. And let me see if they had any update on this. They said super plans are ending on Tuesday. Let me see what the last update was here. Just 24 hours. So they sent this one out yesterday. It's 24 hours before the promotional super plans come to an end. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Brace yourself for the most transparent PAM account that's about to take off and soar to new heights. Get ready to witness your investments take flight and generate substantial returns like never before. Our transparent PAM account can rest assured that your hard-earned money is safe in our hands. Our team of experts will navigate the financial markets with precision and ensuring maximum profitability and minimal risk. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and say hello to effortless earnings. Our PAM account will do all the heavy lifting for you, allowing you to sit back, relax, and watch your wealth multiply. Don't let this opportunity fly by. Join the 101 Moneymaker family today and secure your spot in this incredible financial journey. Time is running out. Act now and take advantage of our promotional super plans before they vanish into thin air. Remember, the sky's the limit. And when it comes to your financial success. So they're talking about that in their messages. They're really promoting that PAM account. And I think that's exciting if they go to that model. I think that'll be a good model for them to go to. So I'm checking this out, right? I'm doing my due diligence on everything. I want to meet with the people from their board, their members, all of this type of stuff. And once I do that, I'll drop that video. I'm going to keep you guys updated. If you want to check this program out, and if you possibly want to take advantage of one of these plans before they go away, then you can do that. Now, I want to tell you guys that there is a basic package. This was their original package if you want to take advantage of that. This was the cause of the name 101 Moneymaker, because this package was a minimum of $101 to get in, capped out at $100,000. The ROI was fixed at 1% daily. There was a weekly withdrawal, and the stake duration was for 101 days. And still at the end of the stake, you got 80% of your capital back. And there's a lot of people who have done that already because they've been around for 6 months already. So there's a lot of people who got in early and already have gotten their 80% of their capital back, and they're enjoying this program. So that's what we have here, guys. That's all the information that I wanted to go over today with you all. Well, no, let's do this, right? I want to go over the frequently asked questions really quick, because I think that's really important so you can understand more about this platform. So let's do this. The frequently asked questions, they have some very important information here. So let's go over a few of these. How much is the minimum and maximum investment? As I explained in the plans, the minimum that you can get started with this program is $101, and it caps out at $300,000. Does the investment extend the stake duration? Reinvestment start a new stake for the reinvested amount, and there's a 5% manual reinvest convenience fee. Now, this is if you take the profits that you make within the platform and you go in and start a new stake with it, it's going to start a new stake. So it's not going to extend the time of your current stake. It's going to start a new stake with its own time frame. So hopefully that makes sense. And if you do the reinvestment from within the platform, there is a 5% manual reinvest or convenience fee. Now, you can always do a withdrawal and then go back in, and then you won't have that 5% manual convenience fee on this. Now, when are profits available for withdrawal? Daily profits are moved to the available balance once per week for non-compounding accounts on Saturday by 12 midnight. So that's when you can actually do that. Now, if you have one of the super plans, those profits are available for withdrawal daily. Now, is there a minimum withdrawal? Yes, the minimum withdrawal is $20. Are there any fees? Once again, there's a 20% stake performance fee, so you get 80% of your capital back. There's a 5% reinvest convenience fee, and there is no withdrawal fee or no deposit fee. How long does a stake last? It's anywhere from 71 days, depending on the plan that you have, all the way up to 101 days. There's no plans above 101 days. When do I start earning after a successful stake? All stakes that are made before 12 noon Eastern time are credited for that trading day, so you can get profits from that day. If it's after then your profits will start the next calendar day. How long does it take for a withdrawal? The withdrawals are processed in anywhere from 1 to 4 business days. Here, it's not instant withdrawals. It's 1 to 4 business days. What currencies are currently accepted? They accept USDT, whether it's TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20, and they also accept BUSD, BEP20. Where are you registered? They're registered and licensed in the UK, and here's the number. When can I contact support? Their support is available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday. Please allow 1 to 4 days for them to resolve or respond, and all general questions should be directed to their Telegram. Here's also, can I operate multiple accounts? You can have up to 5 accounts per one IP address to accommodate for friends and family. So keep that in mind as well. Now, talking about their profits in the affiliate program, when are profits credited? Profits are credited by 10 p.m. Eastern time. Is there a referral system? They run a 10-tier referral system. Only fresh capital deposits, not reinvestment. So they pay on fresh deposits that are put in the system, not if someone reinvests their profits that are put in the system, right? If they're doing a reinvest from within the system, you won't get credit for that if you refer someone. Now, if you refer someone on your first level, you directly refer them, you get 7%. Your level 2, you're going to get 3%. Level 3, you're going to get 1.5%, and it's graduated all the way down to 10 levels deep. Now, you can also they have a ranking system, and your referrals on your first level, you actually get 100% of the bonus credit for your level 1s, but you get 40% of credit for level 2s, 21% bonus capital for your level 3s, and then it goes all the way down 10 levels deep right there. You can see that in the chart. Now, is there a rank system? So this is talking about the rank system here. Everybody starts as a novice earner, and you just need to have a $101 active deposit to participate in this ranking system. And then the apprentice affiliate, once you hit this rank, you need to have $500 in your active deposit, $900 total team volume, and then you're going to get a bonus of $90. Once you have $700 in the active deposit and $7,000 of team volume, you'll get a $450 deposit. Once you have $1,300 in the active deposit, $19,000 in your total team volume, you're going to get a bonus of $1,100. And you see that goes all the way down to Grand Guru, where you have $2 million in your team volume, $150,000 in your active deposit, and $210,000. And 210,000 bonus is what you're going to be paid. Now, when are the bonuses paid? Referral rewards are paid on fresh capital deposits, not on reinvestments. Can I earn on the affiliate? Once you put in the work building your team, the rest will be history, is what they say, right? So this is the whole program, guys. So those frequently asked questions, probably answered a lot of the questions that you will have. As I said, as I participate with this platform more, and as I get more information, have more experience with the platform, I'll be doing more videos to show you exactly what this platform is all about, right? Guys, I want you to take a look at this. I suggest that with platforms like this, that you use your risk capital. Means that's money that you can afford to risk. That's money that you would use to go on a vacation, that you would use to go out to eat, that you would use for anything else frivolous that is not that important. Money like that, if you can risk it for that, then this would be something that you can start these programs with. Please don't use any money that you're going to need, any money that you pay bills with or anything like that. That's not what I suggest, right? So let's be wise with these things, because you know what we're going to do, right? We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, right? And that's what our motto, that's what we're going to stick to. But I want you guys to look at these videos right here, because I have some more programs and platforms that I want you to check out and see if there's something that you want to use to create more passive income in your life. As always, guys, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.